Hello guys, today we will learn how we can write basic HTML code in VS Studio with just a simple command. First, make a HTML file, let's say index.html, okay. Then press Shift and 1, okay, to write this exclamation mark and then just press enter. It will write a basic HTML code for you. HTML document, language English, character set UTF-8, okay, compatible edge, viewport, content. It's a basic HTML code. You can implement further here. That's very simple trick. You can, I hope it will help you to create your basic HTML code. Thank you.